Good morning, guys. Sabahul Khair, and today's vlog we will talk about a very important topic. This topic is how to effectively learn the language. If you want to learn a new language, it's very important to incorporate different methods into learning the language and be as flexible as possible. As I mentioned in some of my videos, learning different language is not an easy task, but it's a very enjoyable task and it's a very doable task if you have the tools. The first thing don't you should not procrastinate. You should start right away. You should make a plan and start executing this plan. Do not procrastinate. The second thing, be able to or be flexible. Give yourself the flexibility that is needed for learning the language. Don't just learn from one source, learn from different sources, communicate with people, listen to audiobooks, watch movies, take a course, try to read simple texts, and all this. Try to differentiate or try to variate your sources. This is also very important. The other thing is to learn a new language, you need to have a long time plan. Yeah, try to motivate yourself more often. Give yourself treats every now and then. If you achieve a step or a stage, treat yourself. This is very important to keep yourself motivated. I will share with you a small story, my small story with German. I started learning German in 2011 when I came to Austria, and before this in Egypt, my German was really primitive. And when it came, it was for me hard at the beginning to learn German, but with time things started to ease up, and I tried to incorporate all these plans that I told you together at the beginning stage. After about 2 years or 3 years, I started to speak German. So if you want to hear me speaking German, I will speak a little German. So ich spreche Deutsch seit circa 7 Jahre, und Deutsch ist nicht eine einfache Sprache. Es ist schwierig und das braucht so viel Zeit, so viel Bemühung zu lernen. Zum Anfang, ich habe einen Kurs, zwei Kurse gemacht, und dieser war sehr wichtig für mich, und auch ich habe so viel Movies gesehen, beobachtet, auch ich habe so viel Freunde gemacht, und um die Umgangssprache besser zu handeln. So I said that I started learning German 7 years ago, and it was not an easy language, but I tried to incorporate all these tips that I told you before, and I tried to take two courses, and after the two courses things started to get really easier, and communicating with people, with friends, with colleagues at work made it even easier and easier. And now I speak German and English and Arabic, and also trying to learn French, and I have also plans for other languages in the near future. So what I want to tell you is that it's not impossible. It's easy, but give yourself the room to make it. Decide and achieve and make plan and take really active actions and initiatives. I hope that you learned and entertained with this vlog, and we will continue our talk in future vlogs. So keep watching.